Rain at Disney, locals don't leave, they level up. Here's how they do the parks when it pours. One of the benefits to being a Central Florida resident is being able to take advantage of when it's a rainy day. And the park was pretty empty today, so we ended up jumping in our car and heading over to Paris, France for a little bit of a quick trip to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. And our son loves this ride, so we came and just did a quick little ride before we headed over to Mission Space Advanced Training Lab. It is hidden in Mission Space's store, so you literally have to head all the way to the back, and then you'll find this really cool place for the kids to have some fun. We didn't take a lot of video just because there were a bunch of kids around, but we love to end our late night adventures in Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. And as you will see, other people love to do this too at the end of the night. So do you really think a rainy day ruins Disney? Locals know the secret to making it magical. Follow along for more magical moments, and remember, umbrellas up, crowds down. This is how Disney locals turn a rainy day into a great big adventure.